at sushi.
Yung rocket. Tapos yung move. Yun yung ano, yung ramen. Creamy city ramen. Asa na pa?
Sushi.
Sushi.
Tuna na.
Go. Yay!
This one.
Meron silang free matcha. Why do you like a sashimi car?
Look, if you touch this,
May na-double naman yun, diba?
now
May bayo.
Alex, look at that. Wheel.
Oh.
Get it.
Get it.
1, 2. Okay, you can press the yellow button, Alex.
Press it.
There we go.
Bye, car.
Our first. Yes. Sige na.
Soy sauce.
if you press go,
Try.
if this opening, if you press this food, so you have to press go so it can come.
Isang subuan lang to kayo dyan eh.
So it can open so it can go.
How was it?
If you press,
Good.
if you are opening,
Abang na abang naman sa train
Right.
ng mga to.
they have the yellow boxes too.
Ba't dito mo inabangan eh?
Nandiyan kayo eh. Gawa tayo ng matcha.
Why she's still like more? Why? She's still like more. She likes more older, yes?
Yes.
Why? Are you
Laki na.
ugly?
Pinanin ko lang.
Are you hot water? Be careful. Let's check. That's for matcha. Let's check it's matcha.
It's matcha but it's hot.
Let's check.
Real.
Let's-
Tungtong.
Ito na
Hindi naman sinushi niya.
Dikit nga.
Kasi sushi daw yan. Wow. Real.
Order.
Wow.
Wow. Perfect egg. Yes.
Wow. Dami. Yeah. Wanna press it?
Yes.
Okay. Press the yellow button. Bye, car. Yay. Wow. Wow.
There's a card in back.
Sarap.
And then
Kaya pala. Sarap.
Sarap, di ba?
if you put your hand in there, and
Don't put your hand in there.
if you take the card,
Yummy. Oh, yan.
look at there, move your head in
Exo.
there.
Sarap na.
Move your head.
That.
But there's a card being back.
Salmon.
With back. Look,
Yeah,
move your head.
Hindi masyado.
Meron silang buy one get one, guys. Ano yung lasa nito?
I'll see.
Salmon croquette.
Give them with chicken.
Harap?
Sarap pala eh.
Bite. Yummy. salmon croquette. Oh, it's hot. Sorry. It's good, right? Salmon party. Malasado. Sarap, no? Sarap din ito. Ano naman masasabi mo sa experience ko sa pagtulala mo? Ano, sarap. Is it good? Yeah?